Put a crap load in her mouth, like hold her head back and pour it in her mouth.
Open.
No, he has to tell her to.
Open.
Did she get a lot in there?
Open.
How come Pop Rocks don't affect you kids? You're 2 years old. No, they don't.
I can hear him.
Pour some soda in their mouth.
Oh, yeah, pour some soda in their mouth. Oh, it's fucking mango? Shit.
Let me see your Elmo Easter basket. Show Mommy. What'd you get for Easter from Easter Bunny?
Bunny.
Bunny. Let Mommy see your Easter basket. What did Sky get? What did her get? What did Miss Sky get?
Right?
Yeah, that's a pop.
That's the baby.
Baby?
Yeah, that little worm guy is the babies. The cranky baby. All squirming and stuff. Let me see your Elmo Easter basket. Get it for Mommy.
Mama?
Yeah, show me. You don't care about your Elmo Easter basket? You can never hear it popping. Oh, shit. You guys need to get a tub-tub. Yeah. Great breakfast. Pop Rocks. Callie, let me see your Elmo. Yeah, that's the baby's blankie. That's her Easter basket. Get your Elmo. Let Mommy see. Get Elmo. Get Elmo.
Papa?
As a pop. Pop?
Don't think he's in the tub with you?
Pop in a tub. Yeah, Billy's got pee-pee all over her.
Yes.
Oh, look, Dad, more Pop Rocks. Look, Callie's got them. She's like, bless, I want Pop Rocks. Pop Rocks. Ask Daddy to do it.
I just opened these and it's in the tub.
She wants her Pop Rocks.
I just opened these.
Yeah, she can have her Pop Rocks.
Papa?
Tub Tub. Say Pop Rock. Or Tub Tub.
So that's the rest of these. Come on. No, come here.